Hey everybody, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change a waste cartridge on a Xerox VersaLink C625. First thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to open up the right side B cover by lifting up on the gray handle, and then it has swing hinges, and you'll swing it up just like that, and it's spring loaded, so it should just hold itself up right there. We're gonna come down here to this B1. There's two little orange finger holds. You pull straight out on those, and there is your waste toner cartridge, all one piece. That outer fairing is actually a part of that cartridge, so when you get a new one, it's all one thing. When you take this out, be careful because it will spill toner if you're not paying attention, so just be careful. So to go back on, go right back in that spot where we took it out, and it goes straight in. There's no leaning or anything like that. So you go straight in. I like to give it just a little bit of a wiggle, kind of helps it get in place, and then you just take your thumbs, nice flat straight push, clicks into place just like that. Make sure it's flush, and then when you're done with that, we're going to close that B door. The bottom will snap, and then you just push the top in until it clicks just like that. And that's it. If you'd like to see more videos on this same model, click here. Hey guys, from everybody here at the Printing Workshop, we'd like to thank you for viewing our videos, and if they offer you any kind of help, don't forget to like and subscribe.